Hello YouTube, thank you for checking in. This is WLtoys K969 128 scale drift car, and this is the best and the most affordable drift car that you can buy. I am saying this is the best beginner drift car because I am a complete beginner. Actually, I bought a Sakura D4 drift car 5 months ago, and among these 5 months I couldn't drift even one time. And then I decided to buy this one after checking some videos on YouTube. I thought that I can do some drift with this one, and actually when I take this at the first time and just for the 15 minutes practice, I could actually make some drifting, circling with this car. So that's why I am telling this is the best beginner drift car. Small, affordable, and there are lots of parts that you can find online, and it's a very simple car. It has a 130 brush motor on it and powered by with a 2S 400 mAh LiPo battery, which powers the car for 30 minutes, which is very good. And it has a 2-in-1 receiver and the ESC together on here. Also, I made 2 modifications on this one. The first one is, if you can see this, the servo rod end, it was on this place like about 3 or 5 millimeters away from the front end. I just cut it and placed it closer towards the front end, so I get more steering angle. Normally its steering angle is like this, the maximum, but when I made that modification, it's making way more steering, so it helps you to make better drifting. And I also made a light kit on this one. It's powered by a 1S LiPo battery, and there is a switch on it, so I just simply open it and you have some cool lights. So what you get in the box: the charger, spare spur and pinion gears, also a 2.5 GHz remote controller with a soft touch wheel, and it's really easy to use. It powers by 4 AA batteries. It's a very simple car, but really easy to use and drifts very well. So let's go and have some drift with this one.